So another important question I'd like to answer is, is replacing your windows worth it? And I think that's kind of an interesting question to phrase it like that, because whether it's worth something to someone else versus one person to another is going to be different depending on what you expect the outcome to be. If you're replacing your windows because you want increased comfort in your house, you want to reduce your energy bills, you want it to be safer, things like that, then replacing your windows is definitely worth it, especially when you're going with a company like Ecoline, where the installation process is going to be only a day or two. It's a competitive price. You get a really high quality product. Definitely worth it. It's going to be adding value to your house. If you're going to be using a company that's replacing with really cheap, low quality windows, they're not going to be doing the installation properly. Maybe they're going with different types of windows that may not be as functional when they're installed, then it might not be worth it for you. So you have to make an educated decision. You have to pick a company that's going to do the job right, that has a high quality product. I wouldn't be switching out older windows with low quality newer windows. It doesn't make any sense that way. You have to get good quality. You have to get a good installation. It has to be done right. Otherwise, it's not going to be worth it for you. So I think that makes the most sense.